I'm Demon, and welcome to Hell. As you know, I'm a welder, fabricator, fire performer, the most extreme fire eater in the world. Now you can decide. I can put out a oxyacetylene cutting torch at 6,300 degrees, right there. I had to make something for fire breathers and fire eaters. And I keep thinking of the tech that we have, the tools. We all started with similar torches like that for our fire eating and our fleshing. And we evolved more to more custom torches, nicer handles, better balanced, ISIS knots, beautiful, last a long time. Then came along an evolution of vapor torches. Same thing, but we're running a hollow tube and pulling the hot gases to essentially do fire breathing, but using a vapor, not a liquid. Now, I've recently completed my vapor hollow rose torch over here, which I thought was really nice and elegant. But I needed to create something for fire breathers. You know, fire eaters and doing vapor, there's a lot of tricks, but dragons, they don't have much technology. We all know that fire eaters and fire breathers don't use the same fuel. Fire eaters use white gas. Fire breathers use paraffin or lamp oil. Now, let me explain. Lamp oil is oily and runny and doesn't really light worth a shit unless you vaporize it. Camp fuel, on the other hand, much different. That's not good to breathe with. But this isn't good to eat with because you don't get the vapors. So you've got and the other. They don't really mix. Two different functions. Plus, let's even get rid of this bottle. What's the biggest problem every time we do a show? You go out, you plan what you want to do, you've got your torch, or some people have their torches. That's all I need. Stick. Or you grab your other torches, and then you go, okay, I'm ready to do my act. Well, wait a second. Wipe. Oh, excuse me. Glug, 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 glug. Wipe. There we go. That's time consuming. I mean, you're a performer. You should concentrate on the performance. Now, how do you put both of those fuels on here? You can't, because they mix and they all become this one. Bad, unless you're eating. There's a difference. I present to you the evolution of fire eating. New demon torches. Both liquid and vapor. Yep, that's right. Dual fuel. White gas and lamp oil. Do you got this on film? See this right here? Demon ones from hell. So to fill the reservoir, you'll just unscrew it from your valve and you'll fill this up. We're using a little graduating cylinder because that's what I have right now. It's good because I can show you how much it is in there. Another benefit to these torches is getting prepared before the show and make sure your stuff is ready. Right? You don't need to handle all these bottles. Everybody choreographs however many breathes mostly we're getting rid of the bottle. Getting rid of that stop in between breathes. You know, drawing attention to, oh, hey, I'm going to pause on hold and look for my fuel source. Oh, maybe I'll kick it over. Maybe I won't. There we go. About 45 milliliters. I think that's like an ounce and a half. You're ready and full of fuel. Nothing. See any drips? Right? But that. Now you're ready to go. And you'll dip your torch and go to work. So our reservoir is full of lamp oil and our wick is dipped with white gas. Now for your common eating. And extinguishing. Go to hole here, our draw hole, and drop. Vapor. Now we're going to go for the fun part, breathing. So we'll pull the trigger, press down the button, and suck out of the tube. Here's your vapor hole. Here's your fuel hole, always close to the button. So now we're going to draw out of it. See there? Now I'm going to go back to breathing. Like firing. And what can you do with it? Well, what did you think of that hybrid tech? Vapor and liquid fuel? This one's still full. I still have fuel in it. Am I leaking everywhere? No. But I will say though, this is not for your beginner fire breather and fire eater. Although you can learn. These should be used by trained professionals. So make sure you talk to one first, or train. Now remember everybody, you gotta think about safety. I'm not the world's most extreme fire eater because I'm unsafe. You know, I practice a lot and I really inspect my equipment, know my fuels, and I always have someone with a fire extinguisher and possibly a medic usually behind me. Sometimes more than one firefighter, and etc., etc. It's not to be taken lightly. You can have a lot of fun with it and do a lot of tech, but you know, examine your equipment, check your fuels, get ready for the show, and do it. And make sure someone's got your back. Remember, kids, play safe. The demon doesn't want any of you to get hurt. These will be available in my Etsy store. Thank you. Please subscribe and buy one, buy two. Buy your friends one, buy them two. Tell me what you think. Can't wait to see them in your hands. Thanks.